And Taiwan's strongest earthquake in 25 years rocked the island overnight, damaging buildings and creating a tsunami that washed ashore on southern Japanese islands. Japan issued an evacuation advisory for the coastal areas of the southern prefecture of Okinawa. Footage from shortly after the earthquake shows crumbled buildings and rubble in the streets. More than 25 aftershocks have been registered so far. Tsunami waves of up to 10 feet were expected to reach southern areas of Japan's southwestern coast, which put the earthquake magnitude at 7.4.